Hey there, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you. Get ready to level up your woodworking game with the coolest tools of 2023. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, these 12 woodworking tools are about to revolutionize the way you work. So let's dive right in.
Number 1. Discover the Jorgensen 15-inch handsaw at an unbeatable price of $25.99. This versatile tool features a black-coated coarse blade with 8 TPI, perfect for wood cutting. Its ergonomic non-slip aluminum handle guarantees comfortable and controlled sawing for tasks like trimming, gardening, pruning, and even PVC work. Experience precision and reliability with this must-have tool for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. Unleash the Galax Pro 5.8 ampere, 3,500 RPM circular saw, a woodworking powerhouse priced at $63.99. With a remarkable max cutting depth of 1 11/16 inch, 90 degrees, and 1 1/8 inch, 45 degrees, this compact tool offers versatility for various cutting needs. Equipped with 4.5 inch 24 teeth and 40 teeth, TCT blades, it effortlessly tackles different materials. The circular saw includes a vacuum adapter, blade wrench, and rip guide, enhancing your cutting precision and convenience. Operating at 3,500 RPM, it combines power and speed for efficient results. Number 3. Elevate your woodworking precision with the Inventor 1200-watt electric skill saw, available for $49.99. With a 5,800 RPM 10-ampere motor, this corded saw delivers robust cutting power. The 7 1/4 inch blades ensure accuracy, while the laser guide enhances precision in every cut. Its versatility shines with a maximum cutting depth of 2 7/16 inch at 90 degrees and 1 13/16 inch at 0 degrees to 45 degrees, making it perfect for a variety of woodcutting tasks. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional, the Inventor electric skill saw is designed to elevate your projects with accuracy and efficiency. Number 4. Experience the Rutile Japanese hand saw priced at $16.99, a woodworker's dream. Crafted with precision, its 6-inch pull saw features a SK5 steel flexible blade with 14 teeth per inch, ensuring accurate cuts for flush cuts and intricate trim work. Its ultra-thin 1/50th inch saw blade is lightweight, flexible, tough, and wear-resistant, ideal for joinery flush cutting. The non-slip durable beech wood handle adds comfort and control, while the 3-blade serration is hardened for sharpness and wear resistance. With a cutting speed 3 times faster than an ordinary saw, this tool is perfect for woodworking beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Unveil the magic coping saw with 5-saw blade priced at an unbeatable $19. This innovative saw introduces a new era of cutting with its carbon blade composition, subjected to double heat treatment for exceptional strength and flexibility. This blade not only defies limits but also saves you money, as it effortlessly cuts through both wood and metal materials. Bid farewell to the need for separate wooden and metal saws, this blade does it all. But the magic doesn't end there. This versatile tool goes beyond, slicing through diverse materials like plastic, bamboo, acrylic, nails, and even aluminum. From woodworking to intricate crafting, this saw is a game changer. Number 6. Elevate your cutting precision with the Hotmac 150mm Junior Hacksaw and Mitre block set, priced at just $10.99. This set is a game changer for woodworking enthusiasts, providing the tools you need to achieve accuracy in every cut. The 6-inch adjustable angle cutting corner saw blade allows for versatile and precise cuts at various angles, making it ideal for both intricate projects and basic cuts. Additionally, the included Mitre block enhances accuracy further, ensuring that your angles are spot on. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced craftsman, this set is designed to empower you with professional-level results. Number 7. Discover the Stanley Low-Angle Sweetheart Jack Plane priced at $138.44, a pinnacle of woodworking craftsmanship. Crafted from extra-thick 3/16-inch A2 steel, it guarantees superior edge retention. The one-piece precision ground frog and base casting ensure stability, while the 63mm width and 350mm length, along with a 50mm wide bevel-up blade, offer versatility for jointing and smoothing. Genuine American cherry front knob and tote provide comfort, and Norris-type adjustment enhances usability. The adjustable throat plate accommodates various wood types. Elevate your woodworking with precision, comfort, and versatility. Experience the pinnacle of woodworking tools with the Stanley Low-Angle Sweetheart Jack Plane. Number 8. Experience the finesse of Japanese woodworking with the Kakuri Rabbit Plane, available at $29.80. This manual block plane tool encapsulates the essence of Japanese craftsmanship, delivering unparalleled precision to your woodworking endeavors. The razor-sharp Japanese steel blade effortlessly produces a stunning, smooth shaving surface on wood with minimal effort. Craftsmen meticulously sharpen the blade edge, ensuring its exceptional sharpness right out of the box. Achieving the desired rabbit width is a breeze with the guide's intuitive design, allowing adjustments within the 0 to 12mm range. This flexibility grants you the power to tailor your cuts to perfection. Boasting a double-sided blade arrangement, the Kakuri Rabbit Plane enhances your versatility. You can plane from either side, with a reminder to align with the wood grain for the cleanest finish. Embrace the excellence of Japanese craftsmanship with the Kakuri Rabbit Plane, an investment priced at $29.80 that promises precision, adaptability, and a genuine connection to the woodworking tradition of Japan. Number 9. Explore the world of Japanese woodworking with the Kakuri Router Plane, available at $32.80. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this handheld router plane embodies the essence of Japanese craftsmanship, delivering unparalleled precision to your woodworking projects. The 18mm, 45/64-inch, razor-sharp Japanese steel blade effortlessly carves grooves and dados of a specific width, providing you with the means to create intricate designs and joints. Craftsmen meticulously hone the blade edge, ensuring its sharpness and durability. Unlike Western planes that are pushed, Japanese planes are designed for pulling, making it easier to distribute force evenly. This unique approach to woodworking enhances your control and accuracy in creating fine details. This router plane is a staple in Japanese woodworking, used not only for grooves but also for crafting rails for furniture and shoji doors. Its versatile nature allows you to bring traditional Japanese woodworking techniques to your projects. Number 10. Experience superior woodworking with the Boeri Adjustable Spokish set, available at a remarkable $21.17. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this set empowers you to achieve fine, accurate cuts and planing results. Featuring SK2 material that has undergone heat treatment, the blades are endowed with impressive hardness at 58-60 HRC. The precision ground cutter ensures unparalleled accuracy and confidence in every cut. The result? Nicer, finer, and sharper results, whether you're shaping wood or creating intricate details. The double screw adjustment screw mechanism enables you to effortlessly adjust the planing thickness, providing stability and ensuring smooth, controlled planing. The ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, enhancing ease of use and precision. With a corrosion-resistant epoxy coating, these tools are built to last, boasting exceptional durability throughout their usage. The package is thoughtfully complete, including 2 sizes of adjustable Spokish chaves for replaceable blades and 1 portable woodworking plane. Number 11. Elevate your woodworking precision with the Hometo chamfer plane, priced at $78.99. Crafted entirely from metal, this tool guarantees stability while remaining comfortable in your hand. With no sharp edges and a weighty build, it ensures controlled use without slipping. Fine-tune your work effortlessly with the depth adjustment feature. The standout feature is its use of carbide inserts for blades, perfect for those who aren't adept at sharpening. The package includes 3 blades, offering both straight and round edges for chamfers and fillets. With the ability to rotate blades for fresh edges, this chamfer plane enhances your efficiency and precision. Number 12. Unleash the power of precision with the XB metal file set, available at an affordable price of $19.95. This 3-piece kit is crafted for excellence, combining high-carbon steel blades with soft-grip rubber handles to provide optimal control and performance. The set includes a square flat file, a half-round file, and round files, all measuring 8 inches in length. This comprehensive selection equips you with the tools needed for a wide range of wood and metal applications, allowing you to shape and smooth surfaces with accuracy. Crafted with high-carbon steel blades, these files deliver exceptional durability and cutting efficiency. The soft-grip rubber handles ensure a comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during extended use and enhancing your control over each stroke.